Alright everybody, police in California have arrested a man for, well, you don't need me to spell it out, do you? You can see what the guy's doing. And unbelievably, this guy did it for 3 hours recently in the middle of the night here in rural California. Now the guy has been identified as Roberto Daniel Arroyo, and not only did he engage in this activity for 3 hours, he also took a short nap on the porch and stole an extension cord that was out in the yard powering one of their Christmas decorations. Now the family's recently installed surveillance cameras caught this activity beginning at 2 a.m. and going all the way till 5 a.m. The couple who owned the home was out of town, but their, I believe, teenage children were inside asleep. The family has since disinfected the doorbell. I think I would replace it, and bleached the doorknob, and the rest of their porch. Now the police officer who initially reviewed the footage said he was not familiar with the face, but the tongue rang a bell. A short search in their computer database revealed that the man had been arrested for other things, and they were able to find him pretty quickly. Mr. Arroyo, who is homeless, was charged with petty theft and prowling. I don't think I've ever heard of that charge before. Prowling. But anyway, that's the only story I have today, because nothing beats this one. What do you guys think? Have some fun with it. You know you can. Spoda out.
Mr. Owl, how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Let's find out. 1, 2, 3.